guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. This is Vlayer Pro Game Reviews and I'll be reviewing free mobile games. And this time, we're gonna be reviewing a game called Squarebird. Last time we reviewed Wheel Scale and I gave it a 17.5 out of 20. So let's get started. So this is not the default mode. The default mode is grass, soil, and this chicken. I'm going to be showing you the game in the default mode. So if you land perfectly on the grass which is in the air, you will get extra points. And if you get 3 in a row, or no, sorry, it shouldn't be in a row. You just have to get 3. Then it will be how do you say it? You'll get a weapon, kind of a weapon that you can break everything that is in front of you. So like this, I got a perfect, got another perfect, didn't get a perfect this time, and yeah. So again, sorry, I'm a noob in this game, I know. So 2 perfects and my apologies. 1 perfect, 2 perfects, 3 perfects, and now you see, kind of shoot things out of my mouth. Not out of my mouth, out of my character's mouth. And yeah, so that's basically what this game is, and I'm gonna show you 3 different levels. Level 77, 78, and 79. If I lose too many times, I'm just gonna show you 2 levels, because I don't want to make my videos long and boring. I just want to keep them short and sweet. And please let me know if the ads are too boring and too annoying, so I could get an ad blocker. I mean an ad blocker. Not a blocker. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you 2 levels, because I'm pretty bad at this game. It reminds me of Flappy Birds, but it's a lot different. And I don't know if that game was called Flappy Bird or Flappy Birds. And yeah, so when you get 3 perfects in a row, that will happen. How did I lose? It gave me a perfect and then I lose? That is hilarious. And yeah, I don't have so much to say for this game. It's just a simple game. And this ad is kind of interesting. I might review this game once. Let me know what games you want me to review. Yeah, it looks fun. For the first time in my entire life, I got 3 perfects in a row. Maybe the second time. Or the 100th. I don't know. But I don't get it pretty often. And yeah, again. Wait, it should... Oh my god, okay. So, I'm gonna give this game... out of 20, I'm gonna give it... Let me think. I'm not gonna give it a 20... because, when you are shooting out of your mouth, just because that happened, because it is supposed to shoot everything. So a 19 out of 20 for now. And I am not going to give it less than that just because it was really hard. But the quality is good. Maybe you can't like see the quality that good in the video, but when you install it, it is really good. Why am I not skipping the ad? Okay, so if I pass this level, the game will end. If I don't, I'll try one more time and then I'll go. How do I lose every time? It doesn't look that complicated. And yeah. So yes, that's basically what this game is. And I know I said I'm gonna stop, but I'm gonna show you the game and the mode I play, and then the video will end. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna lose so I can change it. So I got actually a few characters. So I got this Trump guy. I have this ghost. I don't know what the other one is actually. And some other few characters like a birdfish, a watermelon, a candy. But usually I play it with the watermelon one and this kind of ground, because it's a little bit cuter, the watermelon. So yeah, for the rating, I am not gonna give 20. I am gonna give 19 for not know. Oh, okay. Why is it always this ad? I'm not gonna give it a 20. I'm not gonna give it a 19. I'm gonna give it 18 out of 20. And I'm not gonna give 20 out of 20 because of some, like, it was supposed to kill, like, break everything in its way when I get 3 perfects, but it didn't. And, well, that's totally a rule for the game, I know, but I wish it wasn't like that. So, I'm gonna give it a 19 out of 20 for that. And the other point I took away is because the levels are a little bit too long, especially when you like pass level 50. So yes, 18 out of 20. And that's gonna be it for this week's video. I hope you have a nice day, and before you click the red button on the top of your screen, or if you have a phone, click the home button or whatever you do to exit. Please subscribe, leave a like, and share the video if you want. And I'll see you next time. Bye.